Hello viewers, welcome back to Smriti channel. In this video we are going to see how to do leaf painting. So for this we have taken a few paintings and we have taken three different shapes of leaves, and we have taken a narrow leaf which is somewhat little long, and we applied the yellow color paint on back of it and we are sticking it on the paper. So if we can take any A4 sheet or any drawing book, if you have, you can take that and we can do this. So this way, similarly we have to apply this painting on back side of a leaf, and we need to just put that imprint on the paper. See, this will look different compared to normal painting that we do. This is like a block painting that we do. This is a leaf painting. With the leaf we are doing this painting. Actually kids like this kind of painting a lot, especially when they want to do drawings, paintings and all. They show much interest, right? So that too, when we come up with these ideas like there are different types of painting, they will like it a lot, and they will be very much interested. So this is a basic leaf painting which we are showing. For the beginners this will be very useful. So our yellow color painting is almost done. Now we are going to take another leaf which is broader in shape, and we are applying red color paint on back of it. And we are trying to just imprint butterflies now with this leaf painting. See, we are just giving one wing of the butterfly now. So similarly the another 4 wings we will just have it with the painting. See, one side of the butterfly is ready now, and another side. Yeah. See, these shapes we need to select, these leaf shapes we need to select based upon what type of painting that we want to do. Suppose if it is a butterfly, so according to the shape of it we have chosen these leaves. So if you want in different shapes, we can choose different leaves. So as we have seen before, the one butterfly with another leaf shape, and this is another butterfly with a different shape. It is in round in color. So with these leaves we are just having one more butterfly in blue color, and also while applying the blue paint in middle we are applying red color paint, so that these wings will look beautiful and colorful. See, with this round color shape leaf we are painting one more butterfly. So this is a outline. Then we will see how to give the mouth, the body of it. So now we are just painting this body of the butterfly, I mean the wings of the butterfly. Yeah, now 2 butterflies are ready. Let's just put some grass at the bottom. So we know the grass is in green color. So by taking the similar leaf that we used for yellow paint, with the same leaf we are just painting with the green color, so that we get this grass at the bottom the same way. Now the grass is ready. Let's finish our butterfly now. See, for the butterfly in the middle we will have this body, and we have some tubes at the top. So we are just making it to the shape of a butterfly. Yeah, the same way we'll do it for another butterfly as well. This we are doing it with black color. We can make it with a black color or even with a brown color also, dark brown color also, so that we will we can see the body of the butterfly if we are having this. So that's the reason. Now this painting is ready, and it looks very beautiful and simple. Hope you like this video. Make sure your kids also trying this kind of paintings. Thank you for watching.